USD JPY 100,293 or lower, take a 5-minute call. Okay, so that's the USD JPY 100.293 or lower, take a 5-minute call. Setting up now, USD JPY. So close. That's 100.293 or lower. 5-minute call. Should be touching on this candle right here. Just open it. I believe we got a medium news coming up. So go ahead and go check our news alerts. Yeah, 27 minutes. We got news and 42 minutes. Not really concerned with the one in 42 minutes too much, the 4-week bill auction. But the FMOC, Stanley Fisher, that might cause the price to do a little to move a little bit. It's a medium impact. So we'll keep an eye on that. Anybody that's new to the group, anytime before you start trading, you should come up here to investing.com economic calendar, and what you're looking for is to see if there's any major news announcements that will affect your trading. And you want to look at you're looking for 2 bull heads or 3 bull heads, like you see right here for 26 minutes. It's coming up, and in cases that we see that there's about to be news, then we stop trading 15 minutes before, and then we start trading again 15 minutes after. So we're gonna watch how the price does when the news hit. And this is on the USD, so it can affect our USD trade. So we're gonna see where price is at. I mean, what the market's looking like when this comes, because medium. So we could still get in, but we just got get in with caution. But if it was high impact, then that's when we would stay out and wait. So yeah, that shows. And then you also can come over here at forexfactory.com. Okay. And you want to check both of the news on both of these sites for news, because sometimes news might be present on one, but it might not be present on the other. So come over here and check. And then what you're looking for on Forex Factory is is red folders. Okay, so you want to stay out of red folders, and orange folders is medium impact, but red folders is high impact. And you always want to not trade during high impact news. So it looked like that USD JPY came down and hit our smaller support, which was a little bit above the 102.93. If you can see where prices came and touched every time it went up above that wick, that's where it came and touched. We just call it at the wick because it's a more cautious trade, and it's a more it's a higher probability. But a lot of times when you trade off of the wicks, sometimes the price might not quite come down that far. So in those kind of cases, even when you trade on your own, if you want to draw your support resistance lines, you can draw it a little above the wick, or below the wick. So basically, um, you can draw two support lines and two resistance lines, and you draw the one at the body, and then draw one at the at the at the wick. And then what I like to say is the sweet spot is the trade in between that. So when price comes below or in between, then you know that you're in a good spot. That's a good sweet spot to take your trades. Surprise, kind of slow for a New York session. I'm actually kind of surprised it's not moving. Prices are moving a little bit more. 9 at the moment. Euro's trending, so of course we're not going to trade off of the euro, even though it's in a downtrend. It's about to touch our support. Actually, no, 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 no. We're not gonna do that. I'm about to say I would go with that because we're going with the trend. Okay, I'm gonna call that one. I'm gonna call that one. Euro USD. Euro USD 1.11964. I would say that's probably 66. 64 is 5 6 cents. All right. 1.119 968. I say 70. 970. $9.78. All right, so we are doing Euro USD for Euro USD. Hold on. Euro USD for 1.11978 or higher. Take a 5-minute put. Now, you know, I always tell you guys don't trade with the trade when you see trending labels. The reason why I'm going against my better judgment on this one is because it's in a downtrend. So we're not going against the trend; we're going with the trend, and it's going to touch our resistance because it formed a new resistance. It crossed support to make a new resistance. Now that could be a false break, and it can actually start to go back up to the top side. But for where we're at, where it's looking at, I'm gonna go ahead and make a judgment call on this one, and like I said, going for a put Euro USD 1.11978 or or um or higher. So it's getting close up there now. I'm about to set up for the Euro USD. 5 minutes. Look like the USD JPY is coming back down too, but the Euro USD is closer, so I would stick there right now. Get those fingers on the triggers. It's close. As soon as we take this trade, jump over to USD JPY because it's setting up. Actually, you might need to jump over to USD JPY now. It's real close. And for some reason, Euro USD ain't moving. So USD JPY is a safer trade. If you can catch both, go ahead. But if you only can catch one, I would go with USD JPY. They're both close though. Euro USD is real close. It's closer than USD JPY, but I think USD JPY is a safer trade. They're both close, very close. I got my finger on the trigger for both, to be honest with you. All right, that USD JPY is coming real close, real close. Set up on that USD JPY. I think that one's going to touch first. Same strike. I'm set up now. It's right there. Keep those fingers on the trigger. USD JPY is right there. It's coming. We're right there. Anybody catch? Remember, I told you you can catch in that sweet spot. Remember, I told you you can catch anywhere in between. So if you don't want to, if you want to catch it right where was just at, that's fine. It's like right above our that strike I gave you. Remember, I told you catch it the body, the wick, and then anything in between. You just hit in between. Quick reversal, nice. If you caught that, go ahead and set up on the Euro USD now. If you didn't catch it, then wait for the retrace. If you didn't catch that USD JPY, you can wait for a retrace. If you was trading cautious and was waiting for it to hit strike all the way, and that came up and like barely, probably maybe half a pip. All right, Euro USD, it's still setting up. USD JPY is setting up again for anybody that might have missed it. And the Euro USD is right there. So fingers on the triggers. For anybody taking the Euro USD, finger on the trigger. You ready? Finger on the trigger. It's right there. Close. Here it comes. We got an AUD USD trade setting up at 0.76536. Hold on. AUD USD. AUD USD 0.7. There it goes. 6538. Right now. Take it. Take it. Who caught? 6538. You're taking a 5-minute call. Euro USD. Anybody that took that Euro USD, you can take it now for a put. So Euro USD, you take right now for a put, 5 minutes. It's 988 or better. I'm in. So I'm in at 988 for that Euro USD. USD JPY is a call, Kumar. Good morning, Amanda. Euro USD again, I'm in at 988. So far we in for the Euro USD for a put for 5 minutes at 988 or higher. Okay. And then we got the AUD USD. Did I already put that one in there? Yeah, AUD USD 538 or lower. And USD JPY 100.9293 or lower. All right, so those are 3 trades that we in right now. I think a lot of people didn't catch that USD JPY came very, 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 very close, but I think a lot of people missed that. So I think most people in on the Euro USD right now and the AUD USD. AUD USD just gave me some concern because our support line just disappeared, which means it's about to form a new support. And I can look on the 15-minute chart and see that we have a ways to go. I mean, another support, like it's going to form another support down there. So for anybody that didn't take the AUD USD, don't take it for the 5 minute no more because we just formed a new support, or actually our old support disappeared. So we're going to wait to see what happens as far as where our new support line is going to be drawn for the 5 minutes. So no more trades off of the AUD USD if you ain't already take it for 5 minutes. Yeah, look like AUD is trying to go down to the to support 0.76408, as you can see on the 15-minute chart as well. Okay, our Euro USD is dropping, so that's good. We in the money with that. That's what we want to see. Was anybody able to catch the USD JPY when it came down real low? Did anybody catch that? There we go. That's what I'm talking about, Millis. I was hoping someone caught that. Nice. USD JPY winner. Always keep in mind when I call trades in the group too, I'm giving not approximate, their exact times, but you don't have to, like, if you see it's real close, right, real close, you can make judgment calls and jump in at them times because a lot of times 1 or 2 pips probably ain't gonna make or break the situation. I'm trying to give clear signals so when we in them, we're winning. We're not just barely winning. Of course, sometimes that's gonna happen, but that's trading. But that's not what I'm going for. I'm not going for half pip wins and just in barely nail biter in the monies. It's not what we're looking for. I'm looking for clear winners. So a lot of times, if it gets real close, and you can tell it's probably going to reverse, or you even see it reverse, you can go ahead and just jump in. Like, hurry up, jump in, get in. Especially in situations where our price is at the wick. So a good example is the USD JPY. You see the blue candle at the top at 100.505. That was a wick, but you could have took it at the body too. You see, and we would still been deep in the money. So somebody may be waiting for a wick. Maybe if it didn't touch, you might have missed out on that trade. So for cases like that, like I said, you can see if it's a wick, then you can pretty much draw a line or look at a visible line at the body. Then also look at the line at the wick and then trade anything in between. Okay, that makes sense. So draw a line at the body, draw a line at the wick, trade in between. Euro USD is in the money. Good stuff, Felicia. You too. That's what I like to hear. So that's 2-0 so far. Doing good. Even though I think that AUD USD is going to lose if anybody got in on that. So Euro USD is in the money. So far, 2-0 so far. Let's see. We'll keep going. Okay. I'm about to say, how did I win the AUD USD? I won, but I accidentally took a put, so it actually worked in my advantage, in my favor on that one. I was like, how did I win? How did I win the AUD USD? All right, so that AUD USD lost. If anybody called it, even though I avoided that out, I'm gonna keep everything copacetic and actually put mark it as a loss because I know some people might have got in on that. So did anybody get in on the AUD USD? See if I have to mark it as a loss or not. I avoided it, but if even one person took it, then I'm gonna mark it as a loss. Okay, GBP USD 1.29767 or lower. Take a 5-minute call. Let me hear if we put that. 1.29769767 or lower. All right, so GBP USD 1.29767 or lower. Take a 5-minute call. And USD JPY is still good for another trade if it ever comes back down to our old strike. You can take that again. I'm gonna go set up on my GBP USD. Man, I got lucky with that AUD. Moving fast, worked in my favor this time. Again, that's GBP USD 1.29767 or lower. Right now, we're trading off of the BTS 2.1 stream. A lot of people been asking me for demos and if they can test it out. This is your demo. This is your test right now, live. Can't get no better than that. So, and if you miss it or if you come in on the session late, then go down to the to our timeline, go down to the wall in our group, and just look at all the dates. You know, we trade every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So I keep everything up, whether we had a good day or a bad day. I keep it up. So if you ever want to see how well the stream is performing, you want to take your own notes. You want to calculate for yourself if it's a 70% of the money or not. Then all you got to do is pretty much just go down the timeline, the group, and then just start marking down all the wins, all the losses, and see how many people in the group is winning versus losing, and go from there. All the pairs just look like they range in, and the ones that was trending is starting to range. So that's a good sign. That's what we want to see. Give us a lot more trade opportunities that way. Good job, Wonder. Yeah, I lost the AUD too. I was hoping a lot of people didn't catch it. Which one, Houston? Are you talking about the AUD USD? If you're saying how low, I say the lowest it should go is to 0.76408 before we see a retrace. And I'm basing that off of the 15-minute chart. If you look at the AUD USD, even though the good job, Houston. Even though that you see that the AUD USD on the 5-minute, you don't see no support. You just see a resistance line. But if you look down on the 15-minute chart, you see a clear resistance. It's just way down at the bottom. So that's all. When you see that on the 5-minute, look like, wow, why is it still dropping? Why is it still dropping? Look at the 15-minute chart and see where the support resistance lies, and that can kind of give you an indication on why it's dropping and where it's at. So on the 5-minute, you don't see no sign of a support, but on the 15-minute, you see exactly why. You see exactly where the support is at, and you see that has a significant ways to go. It's only in the middle right now, as far as the 15-minute goes. So for 5 minutes, that's like twice as long, you know. So that's a long ways before you see a reversal right there, or support rather. Now it can form a new support for 5 minutes and not and be based on the 5-minute chart, which means support would be a little higher, and you might see that it might actually form a new support line now, from based on where it's been touching in previous price, where it touched at, where it's at for right now. All right, see where we're at. Okay, I see USD JPY formed a new support. I mean a new resistance. It's kind of low. It touched 2 times. All right, I'll call it USD JPY. Hold on. I was just about to say that's a little bit low for me. I'm not calling that. All right, but what I will call is that new support. 505. No, new resistance. 100 505. Hmm. 100 505. Actually, that's a strong resistance. Look like GBP USD's coming back down. Let me see if I gave y'all the right price from the last one. No, I'm not in the GBP Wonder. We shouldn't have took that yet. No, it hasn't touched yet. Good job, Amanda. Welcome to BTS. Happy to have you. You won't be disappointed. All right, USD JPY is crawling up there. I'm gonna get that USD JPY call trade. I mean, I'm gonna call that. It's not really that close to our resistance, but if it get there, it should be a strong signal. Let me look at this GBP real fast. Make sure it's still the same, because that's a lot closer. So hold on. I'm gonna call it again just in case it's not in the group or people can't see it. It's the GBP USD 1.29767. It's still the same. Or lower. Take a 5-minute put. I mean, excuse me, a 5-minute call. $15 says it's trending up on the GBP USD, so that would be awesome if our 5-minute touches, because that means we'll actually be going with the trend. And it's saying on the 15-minute chart, even though the GBP USD says it's ranging, the 15-minute chart says clearly that it's just starting to form an uptrend. So that means we'll be going with the trend. So that's an ideal situation that we want to be in. So definitely that GBP USD, if it comes down to touch our 1.29767, we're going in with that all day for a call, 5 minutes.
Daddy.
Yeah.
How long do I have time?
Probably like 40 minutes. I see we got a lot of people on the stream today. Welcome. Anybody that's on the stream, you might be present, but you might not be talking. So that's fine. Welcome to BTS. Welcome to the group. Welcome to the live stream. What you're watching right now is the BTS Live 2.1 stream. This is our signal stream. All lines you've seen have been drawn automatically by the system. We're trading 100% off the system. None of these trades is by me. Everyone knows I can call these trades myself, but I wanted to show. I'd rather call up the system. That way, people can see exactly how the system works and they can see it in real time. Call is, yeah. So no. Amanda, call means to go up, and a put means to go down. So if I say call, then that means when it touches your bottom resistance, your bottom support line, which is the bottom line, the line at the bottom, the white line, then you would take a call, which means you'll go up. If that's what you meant by high, then yeah, you would go up. And then if it touches your top line, then you would go down, which is called a put. High is the new trading tool. I didn't understand what you mean by that, Trevor. All right, still looking at GBP USD. It's setting up. Now I start getting those fingers on the trigger. It looked like Euro USD is mirroring that trade, but the 15 minute says it's trending down, so we're not going to mess with that. We're going to stick with this GBP USD because it still says it's in the uptrend on the 15 minutes, and the 5 minutes is setting up for a call play, which means we'll be going with the trend, so we should be safe. These are the type of things I want you guys to look at if you purchase a 2.1 too. Like, don't just trade every single time it hits the white line. Do some type of analyst yourself, you know. And like I said, I know if you're a newbie, you're not going to just know what to look for, and that's the reason why we're doing these live sessions like this. But definitely, you know, look at both charts and kind of make a decision from that. If you're looking at the 15-minute chart, it's saying it's in a downtrend, and then you look at the GP 5 minutes, it says ranging, but you're about to go for a call play. It's probably not the smartest move, you know. Except for that GP USD is close. I'm about to go set up on mine. It's real close. Keep your fingers on the trigger in case it does a quick touch and jump. You don't want to get caught with that, or you don't want to miss out on anything. So 1.29767 or lower, we're going for a 5-minute call. And it's close. It's right there. Keep those fingers on the trigger. I just noticed we traded right through news. I guess that it wasn't that it didn't hurt us that bad. That one didn't hurt us at all, actually. I got so caught in the moment, I forgot news was hitting in 20 minutes from the time we started. I think we're good now, though. I'm gonna check after this one. GBP USD, it's close. Get ready. We're at the body portion now. Now we're just waiting for it to come down. A little further. Here it comes. Get ready. Get ready. Right there. We're in the sweet spot. Just waiting for it to touch. And let it touch this time. It's going to touch. There you go. Actually crossed. All right. So I'm in at. Hold on. I'm in at 771. I know, right, Amanda? 771. So I'm in at 771, guys. GBP USD. If you didn't catch it, catch the retrace. Don't get it above. Actually get it when it touched the line on this one. There you go, like right there. That's a good, nice, strong position. Anybody caught that? You got a great strike. Trevor. Oh, the way you get your charts like that. Look at the top. Look at the top right corner. I won't be able to do it on my screen. You won't be able to see it, but just follow. And you see where it says on demand? Go right up under that, and you see where it has an icon of a grid, and it has 3, 6, 9, 12. It has 12 boxes. Okay, you see those 12 boxes? Well, at least it's 12 boxes on mine. You can click that, and then you can add as many boxes as you want to your charts. So you go to there, and then you select how many boxes you want, and then after you do that, then save your workspace. You know, you click on that, and then put save, and that way every time that you want this your screen to show up like this, then you can just put load that workspace, and then it'll show up like this every time. And you can have different types of screens. All right, so GBP USD just jumped up. That's good. That's what we want. So everybody should be nice in the money right now, but it's still early, so we're not going to prematurely worry about that one. But so far, so good. All right, so let's see what else we got. That USD JPY never got up there. I told you it was pretty high, but if it did get up there, that was a great trade to take. AUD USD is still in the downtrend. It's probably going to trend, like I said, all the way down to that 0.76408. So it's nothing there. It's funny because the 5 minute on GBP looks like it's forming a downtrend. It's actually looking the same as the AUD USD. If you see, it's mirroring that. It's mirroring the AUD USD a lot. But then at the same time, if it is good, because AUD USD right now is showing green. So let's hope it mirrors that to that extent and show us all green candles from this point. We don't want no more blues. You're welcome, Trevor. All right, how much time we got on this trade? We got a little time. I'm about to go eat a quick bowl of cereal. Let's see how much. 1 minute? That does not look like enough time to eat a bowl of cereal. All right, so let me wait this trade out. We got a minute, a little bit under a minute left, I believe. Minute and 20. All right, so GBP USD, we are to the moon. That's what we wanted to see, especially with 45 seconds left. We are to the moon. I'm gonna have to put my BTS glasses on for this one. I'm gonna have to put the BTS glasses on for this one. We go all the way up. All right, so we deep in the money with that one. I mean, 15 seconds left on this trade. Everybody should be well in the money, looking sweet. Wonder, what's 762? What you getting at 762? You talk about that GBP USD? Hey, you know it's all fun, Howard. It looks like USD JPY is going up to our to that spot, but it's in the uptrend. Now this is weird. It's saying it's trending up, but I'm super about to make a judgment call on this one. So far we 3-1, guys. All right, hold on. Let me see what we got. We got a couple of different things setting up. So let's see what we got going on. All right. GBP USD has just formed a resistance, but it says that we're in an uptrend. I really don't think that that's going to be trending up, though. All right, let me see. Which one? So we got two situations here. We got the GBP USD, and then we got the USD JPY. I'm going with the USD JPY on this one. USD JPY. Oh shoot, it's coming too. 100. I'm making a judgment call on this one, even though it says trending up. I have a strong feeling it's going to come out of that and start saying it's ranging. So USD JPY 100.505 or higher. Take a 5-minute put. All right, here we go, and it's coming too. So I'm about to set up for that USD JPY. I'm going against my labels on this one, so this is a 100% judgment call, but I have a strong feeling it is not going to go in the uptrend. So USD JPY, 5-minute put. It's right there. Get them fingers on the triggers. It's right there. Okay, GBP USD. I'm about to call. It just started ranging, so I'm gonna call that one too. Yep, you seen it, huh? Good job, Wonder. GBP USD one. Good stuff. Good stuff, Bojan. Glad to have you here. Glad you just won. First time trading with BTS. Love to hear it. Hey, GBP USD. Get ready, guys. GBP USD. And it's gonna be. It's almost touching. As soon as it touches that support, I don't have no number on it right now. I'll tell you what it is when I jump in. Just get ready. GBP USD. Right now. In now. Right now. So I'm in at 963 or higher. Take a put. USD 963 or higher. Take a 5-minute put. I'm in right now. Oh my God, just both said it was trending up. As soon as I took that trade. If you ain't in on it, don't take it no more. Anybody on the GBUSD, don't take it no more. We just got caught in the uptrend. The good thing though is on that 15 minutes, it doesn't look like it's going to be trending up too much longer. So that's good. Look at that USD JPY. It says we're in the uptrend, but the 15-minute clearly says it's not. So if you want to take a safer trade, go with the 15 minutes on the USD JPY. You can go for a 15-minute put when it hits 100.505. 5 minutes says it's trending. I don't believe it's going to continue to trend, but like I said, if you want to play it safe and go 100%, like we should up the system, then take a 15-minute trade instead of a 5-minute trade on the USD JPY. Matter of fact, that's what we're going to set up for. I'm going to go ahead and set up for 15 minutes as well. Then I hate when you get caught up in the uptrend. In the trend when it was ranging, and then all of a sudden, right when you take it, it jumps into a trend. That GBP can still drop though below our strike, but I don't like the fact that it broke our resistance so much. So it's a good chance that it could be forming a new resistance and support. That's up. Yeah, it looked like it's going to 1.3006. GBP USD looking ugly because I know it's rising to that 1.3006 before we probably see a retrace. Yep. We're going to be ridiculously out the money with that one because, like I said, we got caught up in the trend right after we took it. USD JPY still looking good for that 15 minutes. It actually looked great for the 5 too. Look at that drop. But always better to trade with discipline. Oh, shoot. It's dropping. If we can get a big drop in these 42 seconds, can we do it? We need a big drop. It's dropping, though. Let's keep dropping. OMG. Don't tell me I'm about to put my BTS glasses back on. Uh-oh. I got 20 seconds left and I'm about to be in the money. Come on. Let's talk it into the universe. I'm right there. Let's go. Let's speak this into the universe. As we pray. Oh, shoot. I just won. Yeah, baby. Boom. Bam. Good stuff. I could have sworn we was about to lose that trade. Boom. Okay, that was a winner. Not by much. I'm not gonna act like it was by much, but hey, a win's a win. I'll take it how we get it, right? Howard, did you win that one? That's another winner for us. That's 4-1. No, 4-2. Cause that AUD. Cause that AUD we lost. 4-2. Amanda, did you win that trade? Good, nice. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. We about to do good right before I gotta take my daughter to school. That's what I like to see. All right. Shoot. Look like the only one we got left. Let's see. Let's try and get one more trade in there. I think 5-2 would be a good way to end the session. So let's see. Let's try and get one more. Good job, Trevor. You're welcome. Thanks for trading with us. Hold on, fast. I talked to my daughter.
What were you looking for?
Oh, because I want to trade. And I thought I was going to lose. All right. I need you to wash your face, brush your teeth. You got to wash your face, bro. And get ready to go. You still got like 15 minutes.
Okay. I just need to wash my face.
Good stuff. That was awesome. Like I said, we was kind of deep out the money on that one. I was like, we're gonna lose this one. Came down right on time, and it's still dropping too. So anybody that got in late, you should be good. Houston, we're doing binary. Good stuff, Howard. Love to have you. Welcome to BTS. Good stuff, Amanda. Love to hear it. Yeah, we doing binary, Houston. Remember I was saying USD JPY is gonna make a judgment call and do a put. Look how deep that dropped. Even though it was saying that we was in an uptrend. I knew it. I was like, that go up there, we taking a put. Yeah, Forex ain't my specialty, Houston. I got my son learning Forex though. We might actually add that element to BTS down the line. I don't know yet, but we might give you guys some options, to trade binary or Forex. But I haven't been able to find anybody reliable yet that I feel comfortable with that can consistently call in BTS. So that's why I got my son training as we speak. All right, let me see where we at. I'm trying to get one more for you guys before I go take my daughter to school. All right, hold on. USD, JP, Euro USD is setting up right now. Euro USD. I might not be able to give a strike, so I'm just gonna tell you when to say it. I'm just gonna say go. All right, I see a strike. Wait, Euro USD is gonna be for a put. This is gonna be a good one. This should be a good one for us. Euro USD, when it touches our resistance, we're going in for a put. Euro USD 1.1201. 5, 4, 5. I'll say 6 or higher. This is the last one, guys. Let's make it count. Euro USD 1.12016 or higher. Take a 5-minute put. Last trade of the day. Let's make it count. Euro USD 1.12016 or higher. Take a 5-minute put. And if it don't quite touch 6, I'll tell you to go in now and just go in. I just estimated it was going to be 6 for where it was at, because it didn't show a price on my chart. So see, it's not right now. Don't take it yet. See, I might have gave a wrong strike, because it looks like it's at 8 right now, and that's not where we want to be. We want to go a little bit higher. Little bit higher. If the next candle's blue, then just go in though. Now you want to go in right now. This is where you want to be at. So that's 0.27. That's the strike. So Euro USD and 0.27 or higher. Okay, 0.27 or higher. 0.27 or higher. Take a put. 5 minutes. And this is the Euro USD. Were you asking, Trevor? Are you after this to come down? You saying, do I think this is going to come down? The Euro USD? The Euro USD, yes. And the trend, and look at it. The good thing is it touched our resistance. And if you look at the 15 minutes, it says in a downtrend. So we're actually going with the trend by taking a put. So that's why I'm comfortable with this trade right here, because it's ranging for us on the 5-minute, but for 15 minutes, it's saying it's trending down, which means we should get a nice put here. Nice put play. Good stuff, Houston. We'd love to have you, and welcome to BTS. Again, for anybody that's new or just joining us, this is the live 2.1 stream. BTS, this is what you get when you pay for the $200 a month. You get access to this. Except for you have access to it for 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. You don't have to wait for me to log on and call the trades for you. These trades are all done. All the signals are automatic. All you gotta do is just trade off your support resistance, and then follow the proper rules. All right, to keep on testing our resistance, which is a bad sign for us, but at the same time, I still feel confident that this should drop. But the fact that it keeps on breaking our resistance means it's gonna actually form a new one. Even if it did drop and put us in the money, it's gonna eventually break real soon. So we don't want to take any more trades off of that line if it was to come back up there. Because the more it breaks, the weaker your support, your resistance get. And it'll just keep touching until it eventually breaks it all the way. Houston, I'm using a UC option right now. Been testing them out for about a month and a half. So far, so good. Your USD kind of stagnated, just sitting right now. Again, if you're not already in, I don't want you getting in on this one no more, because it's stagnated. It already broke our resistance, and like I said, it could be forming a new support. So we don't want that. The 15 minutes still says it's in a downtrend, so that's a good thing. We do want to see that. And our candle's blue right now, so that's a good thing. Still feel confident with this trade. See how much time we got left. Woo, 53 seconds, less than a minute. All right, well, come on, let's go. We need this to drop. Let's end strong. Come on, last trade. Let's end strong. "24 seconds. "8 seconds, and it's just sitting. I know what's gonna happen. It's gonna. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Did I win that? Boom. Woo, that was rough. That was rough. Woo. All right, y'all. We done. 5-2. 5-2. All right. So that was the BTS live 2.1 signal stream. We out for today. It was a great session. Thank you for trading with us. Thank you for all the new members. I see a lot of new people in the group, so love to have you. Keep trading with us every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So I'll be back tomorrow. Do it again. We train 100% off of the live stream, guys. No, I used to give trades myself for you, but I'm 100% off of the stream. I feel documentation beat conversation, and the proof's in the pudding. So I'd rather trade off the stream than trade off my own, analyst. So there we go. You guys see it in the flesh. 5-2 for today. Let's come back tomorrow. Do it all again. I'm going to either come back on New York session or it's going to be Asian session. Those are the two sessions I usually come. I'm trying to give everybody some bang for their bucks. I'm trying to get in on London, but for some reason, it's hard for me because I be in front of my computer all day. And then by the time I get to that point, I just crash. It's like 12 and 3 in the morning, so I just crash. But I'm going to try. I can't make no promises, but I'm going to try. But for sure, I'm going to either do New York or Asian every Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. All right, guys? All right, so thank you for trading with BTS. Tell a friend, bring a friend, invite whoever to the group. Any and everybody is welcome. We do this for free every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. If you want 24-hour access to the stream, and if you want to trade, if you want 24-hour access to the stream, then you just buy the $200 a month. You can make that up in one day, right? Could have made it up today. But anyways, get that, and then you in the game. All right. So happy trading. Always practice proper money risk management. Don't trade more than 5% of your account balance. And let's get it. Get money like a boss. Let's go. Peace.